Oh, welcome back you guys, another video. Now today I'm gonna be installing, I know that sounds crazy, but I'm gonna install a home theater in the car. Now the reason why I'm installing a home theater or a DVD player in my car, because I care about the audio. I really care about the audio. I feel the audio, so my audio in the car got to be something really great. And I'm gonna show you exactly step by step what I'm doing and how am I gonna do it, so stay tuned till the end of the video.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the better below. You said myself that this is the last time.
And I'm just gonna cut through the wires, and I already, where's my wires? I already have like those extras from my old speakers. All I'm gonna do is just basically like reconnect them together and tape them with tape, and that's pretty much what I did right now. And I'm gonna do the whole speaker the same thing, so yeah. So this is what we have right here. So basically, after playing with it a little bit, then I found out this either one of this is the right and either one of this is the left. So with that said, this has one subwoofer and this has one subwoofer. This could have the right or the left front and rear speaker, and this could have the front and rear, probably either left or right. So alright, this is the next step. This is when you're gonna bring your DVD player. It got to be 5.1. How you know it's 5.1? Here's your speakers out. Has 5. There's got to be audio input. There's 2 right here, the red and white. So this is really good. You will need power converter. This is basically convert your car cigarette into like a plug, DC to AC, and this has 300 watt, which is really good. This has like 2 output, also 2 USB, which is come in handy, and switch on and off. And this is pretty much all we need for our setup. And we're down right here. I plugged everything back, and those are the cables where you're gonna be connected to the DVD. And you need an aux to RCA. This is where your audio gonna be coming out of the DVD. You're gonna plug into the DVD, and this is gonna go through to your phone, or this is gonna go through your phone. Alright, cool. So this is what we have so far. I put it in all the way to the back as far as I could, so I could take the power. So I could take the cable, the aux cable, and the power all the way to the back where I have my cigarette lighter, so I could plug it in, and my aux. I'm gonna have to do extension. Now this is not the final thing. I'll figure out something that I have to put it underneath, you know, put the wires maybe underneath somewhere. But this is like so far look pretty good, and yeah, we will give it like a shot. And we're gonna do a test right now, and I'm gonna show you the test exactly. Now here's oh no, I should I'm gonna get right copyright strike. Let me put something like no copyright music. Yeah, please. Yep. It's all working. Got my left rear, my right rear, my front left, my front right. They all look perfect. And that will be it for today. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you until the next one. Bye. Peace out.
These feelings inside.